Minister Amit Shah has slammed senior Congress leader and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi in Assam. Home Minister has raked up the Patka Rao in the state, and he has said only one person didn't wear the gamosa. Why did Rahul not wear it, is what he has said.
अभी राष्ट्रपति महोदया ने 26 जनवरी को एट होम कार्यक्रम में सभी को नॉर्थ ईस्ट के गमछे पहनाए। यहां तक कि यूरोपियन यूनियन की अध्यक्षा और बाकी सारे जो लोग आए थे उन्होंने भी गमछे डाले। एक ही व्यक्ति ने आसाम का गमछा नहीं डाला, उसका नाम था राहुल गांधी। अब मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोगों को कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का गमछा राहुल जी ने नहीं डाला, पूरे देश और दुनिया के लोगों ने डाला। भला आपकी क्या दुश्मनी है भाई, जरा ये तो बताओ।
All right, the Congress has been defending Rahul Gandhi as well. Congress leaders have come out and said that he did wear it for a few moments, after which he did remove it. Rahul Gandhi's decision not to wear the traditional Assamese gamosa has now become a political weapon in the hands of the BJP. And now the latest salvo has been fired by the Home Minister Amit Shah while in Assam, where he has questioned why the leader of opposition and senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi did not wear the gamosa. The latest in the series of attacks against the senior Congress leader. But like I said, the BJP has come in defense of their leader. Once again, let's listen into what Amit Shah has said.
अभी राष्ट्रपति महोदया ने 26 जनवरी को एट होम कार्यक्रम में सभी को नॉर्थ ईस्ट के गमछे पहनाए। यहां तक कि यूरोपियन यूनियन की अध्यक्षा और बाकी सारे जो लोग आए थे उन्होंने भी गमछे डाले। एक ही व्यक्ति ने आसाम का गमछा नहीं डाला, उसका नाम था राहुल गांधी। अब मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोगों को कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का गमछा राहुल जी ने नहीं डाला, पूरे देश और दुनिया के लोगों ने डाला। भला आपकी क्या दुश्मनी है भाई, जरा ये तो बताओ।
Remember, this was at the at-home reception that we're talking about, that the controversy has erupted. You have the BJP also saying that this is not only an insult to the state of Assam, but to the president as well. This year's at-home reception event at the Rashtrapati Bhavan was themed around the Northeast, celebrating the culture of the land. I have Ratnadeep joining me live from Guwahati. Ratnadeep, just take us through what Amit Shah has said, the latest in the series of attacks against Rahul Gandhi when it comes to the gamosa. He is in Assam, I believe, at this point, and he has launched that latest salvo from there against the leader of opposition.
That's right. In fact, Amit Shah there, he was in Dibrugarh, where he addressed a massive public rally. In a way, he blew the, bugle for the Assam elections for the BJP, and there he actually attacked the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, alleging that when in the at-home event on Republic Day, all the dignitaries, all the guests were gifted with the Northeast gamosa, which is an insignia, which is a symbol of the culture of Northeast. The only one person who did not take the gamosa was Rahul Gandhi. This is an attack, remember, which was done against Rahul Gandhi by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma as well. And now Amit Shah, pricking up this issue and asking people that whether they would support the Congress, which actually, according to Shah, disrespects the culture of Northeast. He also went on to allege that Congress had made Assam the den of infiltrators, and it is the BJP-led government in Assam which is acting against infiltrators, and therefore he appealed to the people that if they want an infiltrator-free Assam, if they want a flood-free Assam, then they should vote the BJP to power for the third term.